Alert level 3 pa rin ngayon ang Bulkan Taal.
Ang dalawang pang bagong reaktong magmatic eruption ang nagdala ng tibok sa Bulkan Taal pasado alas 10 ngayong gabi.
Natagpuan sa Benham of Philippine Rice ang pinaniniwala ang pinakamalaking kaldera sa buong mundo.
Mahigit 800 na namatay. Mahigit 10 bilyong halaga ng ari-arian ang napinsala. Ang lahat ng pagsabog binago ng tuluyan ng Pampanga at karaming probinsya.
Ang iniisip namin ay wala bang katapusan ito? Magugunaw na ba ang mundo?
Isa na, sila nang sumabog ang Mount Pinatubo. Ang pangalawang pinakamalakas sa isang bulkan. Ang ikadalawang malas ng ay mayon.
Sa loob ng 2 dekada mula 1997 hanggang 2017.
Hindi namin alam kung kailan talaga ang wakas itong mga Pinatubo.
The first mission to Mars did not expect to find craters and river valleys, and yet they did. The first mission to Jupiter didn't expect to find ocean worlds and volcano worlds, but they did. The solar system is completely wide open. Almost anywhere we go, I'm sure we would learn a lot. Hey guys, have you seen the science experiment that our teacher wants us to watch?
No, I haven't watched it. Hey, you ba? Me too eh, di ko pa siya napanood. Pero do you wanna watch it tomorrow?
G!
Okay, let's go, man! G!
Bye!
Bye!
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new.
First step, get the cardboard and make a rectangular shaped box. Second, put a hole in the middle of the box where the bottle can fit. It will look like this. After making the box, crumple some paper into a ball-like shape, and later on we will place it all over the base of the bottle. After you crumple some paper, use the cut pieces of cardboard and make a triangle to shape the slope of the volcano. These cardboards will go into be the foundation of our volcano, and it looks like this. The fifth step is to cover the sides of the bottle and cardboard with paper and place all the crumpled paper inside the structure. It will look like this. After putting all the crumpled paper inside the structure, get your masking tape and tape it around horizontally. It looks like this. After taping it horizontally, tape it again, but this time, tape it vertically. It looks like this. To finish the structure of your volcano, cut some strips of paper and make your paste using flour and water. Then paste the paper strips all around the model and let it dry. Last but not the least, design your volcano model. Any art materials will do according to your will.
I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you.
To make our volcano erupt, first let's pour a baking soda inside our bottle. After pouring the baking soda inside our removable bottle, let's add some dishwashing liquid. For the last step is to pour our food coloring with vinegar. Okay, class. Please do open your cameras. Good afternoon.
Hey, sir. Good afternoon po.
So, did you watch the video that I told you to watch?
Yes po. Yes po.
So, for today, we will going to answer the questions that I've sent you on MS Teams. Are you ready? Did you prepare your answers?
Yes po. Light. Yes, sir.
Based on the video that you've watched, what difference did you observe between the simulated volcano and an actual volcano? Okay, Cyrill John Bautista.
The difference I observed between the simulated volcano and the actual volcano is that the actual volcano is more dangerous and destructive, while the simulated volcano is the less destructive, but it shows what will happen if an actual volcano is erupting. We can observe that the chemical that caused the eruption of a simulated volcano comes outside of the model by pouring down the vinegar. And while eruption of an actual volcano comes from the inside.
Okay, very good. That's a good point. For the second question is, what are some of the consequences of volcanic eruptions? How might an eruption change the area surrounding the volcano? Okay, Ronald.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So, yung tanong niyo po is, yung second question ko po, there are positive and negative effects po of a volcanic reaction. First is, thin layers of ash can act as a natural fertilizer. Second, it can cause lung disease by inhalation of very fine silicate of quartz dust and causing inflammation in the lungs. And yung second question naman po is, an eruption can change the surrounding area of the volcano in a way that it can destroy settlements and wipe out woodland and agriculture. It can also take precious lives and demolish properties po.
Very good, Ronald. So, the lung disease is called pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. So, take down notes. So, the third question is, based on what you observed from the demonstration, what do you think you might see, hear, and smell near a real erupting volcano? Anyone, please unmute their microphones and answer my question. Okay, Ronald.
Okay po.
Fine.
So, the question is, based on what you observed from the demonstration, what do you think you might see, hear, and smell near a real volcano? So, during the eruption po, you'll see how the lava spreads all over the volcano and how thick the smoke will be. It will be literally can destroy everything near it. And you'll hear a massive explosion from the volcano. And the third one is, you can smell toxic gases such as carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Many more gases is released when a volcano erupts that you can smell. After the eruption, you'll see ashes coming down from the sky. Thank you po.
Very good. That's very accurate. Okay, for our fourth question, what will you do before, during, and after volcanic eruption? Okay, go on, Cyrill.
What are the things we do before a volcanic eruption? First, preparedness is a must. Listen to the radio for updates from authorities. Second of all, prepare all emergency supply kit including food, water, flashlight, battery, lighters, whistle, dust mask, goggles, knife, blankets, and spare clothes, plastic wrap, cash, and first aid kit. And during a volcanic eruption, we must stay calm, check the news for updates regarding the latest updates about the volcanic eruption. If you are in this house, seal all the doors, windows, or anything that ashes can enter your home. Second, cover your nose and mouth. Cover water and food containers to avoid contamination from the ashes. And keep your pets safe to help them avoid inhaling the ashes. After a volcanic eruption, don't take your mask off. Clean the roofs and gutter with water to avoid corrosion. Dust off ashes from plants before watering them. Use detergent to wash clothes contaminated with ashes. Vacuum your furniture. Rinse your windows with water before washing it with soap. Collect all the ashes and dispose it far from drainage to avoid clogging. And lastly, to be helpful, you must be helpful to others who must be affected by the eruption. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that, Cyrill. That's very informative. Thanks for that. So for our last question, what have you learned from this simulation? Anyone from the class? Okay, Ronald, go on.
In this simulation, I've learned that when the two substances are mixed, something new is formed. Hydrogen ions in the vinegar react with the sodium and bicarbonate ions in the baking soda. These initial reactions results in the two chemicals, carbonic acid and sodium acetate po.
Very good. Thank you for your active participation in this activity, no?
you watched the video attentively. And thank you for your reflection. So, this is the end of our discussion. You may now leave the call. Class dismissed. Good day.
Good day po.
Good day po.
Ang pangit ko mag-video, legit. Natatakot.
Wait lang, video muna.
Video na.
Ay, sorry. Game. 1, 2. Hindi tinanggal.
Yes, so, sorry. For the updates of our... Mayroon ko na.
Plastikan 101.
Ulit. Check out in the 2. In 2. May kasi kang shot.
Kuya, Sai.
Kuya, ang bilis niyo!
Thank you for watching.